Imagine creating something once, uploading it, and then waking up every day to see money coming in, all while you're doing absolutely nothing. No packaging, no shipping, no customer service headaches. That's the beauty of digital products. And now, with the help of AI, making and selling these products has never been easier. You don't need to be a designer, a coder, or a writer. You just need the right tools and a few smart strategies. In this video, we're counting down 10 ways you can use AI to build digital products that sell themselves and generate real passive income. 10. Use ChatGPT to write eBooks and guides. Let's kick it off with the most popular AI tool out there, ChatGPT. This AI can help you create high-quality written content in no time. If you've ever thought about writing an ebook or guide but didn't know where to start, this is your shortcut. Start by picking a topic that people are searching for, like budgeting tips, productivity hacks, meal planning, or mental health guides. Then, ask ChatGPT to help you outline the book, write the chapters, and clean up the language. You can even ask it to write in a specific tone: friendly, professional, humorous, whatever suits your audience. Once your content is ready, use Canva to make it look polished. Then sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. You make it once, and every download puts money in your pocket. 9. Design and sell printables with Canva's AI tools. Coming in at number 9 is Canva. This platform now includes AI-powered tools like Magic Write and Smart Design to help you create digital products quickly, even if you've never designed anything before. Think about planners, meal prep sheets, study guides, vision boards, or budget trackers. These types of printables are super popular on Etsy. Use AI to generate content ideas, then design them in Canva with just a few clicks. It even suggests layouts and color schemes to make everything look great. Once your printables are ready, upload them to an online shop. People love downloading and printing these at home, especially if they're useful and look nice. You don't have to deal with shipping, and once it's online, it can keep selling for months or even years. 8. Turn articles into videos using Pictory. If you want to get into video content but hate being on camera, Pictory is your best friend. This AI tool turns written content, like blog posts or scripts, into professional-looking videos with music, stock footage, and captions. Here's a great strategy. Use ChatGPT to write helpful articles in your niche, then copy and paste that content into Pictory. The AI will turn it into a video you can post on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Monetize these videos with affiliate links, sponsorships, or promote your own products. Once your video is online, it can keep earning views and income over time. You're creating digital content that continues to work for you even while you sleep. 7. Use Jasper to write blog posts for affiliate marketing. Jasper is another AI writing tool that's designed for long-form content, and it's perfect if you want to build a blog that earns passive income. Start by choosing a profitable niche, something like tech gadgets, fitness, or online education. Then, use Jasper to write comparison posts, product reviews, or how-to guides. Insert affiliate links into your posts, and whenever someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. As your blog gets traffic from Google or social media, those clicks turn into income. The more quality content you have, the more potential you have to earn, without having to do more work after it's published. 6. Create digital art with Midjourney and sell it online. At number 6, we've got Midjourney, an AI art generator that turns simple text prompts into stunning digital images. You don't need to be an artist. Just describe what you want, and the AI creates it for you. Let's say you want to make wall art, phone wallpapers, or even t-shirt designs. Type something like sunset over futuristic cityscape and Midjourney. We'll give you multiple options in minutes. Use those images to create digital prints or merch and upload them to sites like Etsy, Redbubble, or Society6. Every sale brings in passive income. You create the art once, upload it, and let the marketplace handle the rest. 5. Build and sell Notion templates with Notion AI. If you've ever used Notion, you know how powerful it is for organization. But with Notion AI, you can create smart, ready-to-use templates that others can buy and start using right away. Think productivity planners, goal-setting dashboards, project trackers, or content calendars. Use the AI to generate structure, text, and helpful features. Once your template is polished, share it as a paid digital product. Upload it to Gumroad or your own site. Every time someone downloads it, you earn money. It's especially great for creators, students, and small business owners looking to stay organized. 4. Build simple apps with Replit's AI coding assistant. Coming in strong at number 4 is Replit. If you've ever had an idea for a web app but didn't know how to code, this platform is your cheat code. Its AI assistant can help you write actual code just by explaining what you want. You can create simple apps like budget calculators, workout trackers, or habit journals, and then host them directly on Replit or through your own site. Offer them with a freemium model, basic features for free, and premium upgrades for a small fee. Once your app is live, it can generate revenue 24/7. People find value in simple tools that solve everyday problems. Build it once, share the link, and let users come to you. 3. Use Murph.ai to create and sell audio products. At number 3 is Murph.ai, a tool that turns your written content into high-quality voiceovers. This is perfect for creating audiobooks, guided meditations, podcast intros, or narration for videos. Here's a cool idea. Write a mini self-help book using ChatGPT, then use Murph to turn it into an audiobook. Upload it to platforms like Audible or Gumroad. You can also create voiceover content for others and sell that as a service or a digital product. Once it's out there, it can keep earning money every time someone downloads it. High-quality voice. Content sells, especially when it sounds professional and is easy to create. 2. Create and sell online courses. With AI help, online courses are one of the highest earning types of digital products. And now, you don't need to be a teacher or spend months building one. With AI, you can structure and create your course in days, not weeks. Use ChatGPT to outline your course, write the lessons, and create quizzes or summaries. Then use Canva for your slides and Murph for voiceovers if you don't want to speak. You can even turn your script into a video using Synthesia's AI avatar presenters. Once your course is done, upload it to platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Gumroad. Promote it once and let it run in the background. Every time someone enrolls, you earn money. No extra work needed. 1. Automate everything with Zapier. And finally, number 1, Zapier. This tool doesn't create digital products, but it automates the systems around them so they truly sell themselves. Zapier connects all your apps and tools together. For example, when someone buys your ebook on Gumroad, Zapier can automatically email them the download link, add them to your mailing list, and send them a thank you message. You can use it to automate content publishing, track sales, update spreadsheets, or post to social media. This kind of automation saves time and makes sure everything runs smoothly without you needing to be involved. The more automated your business is, the more passive your income becomes. And with tools like Zapier, it's totally doable. There you have it, 10 powerful ways to use AI to build digital products that basically run themselves. Whether it's an ebook, a course, a template, or a simple app, you can create it once and keep earning for months or years to come. Pick one idea, give it a try, and let the tools do the hard work. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more smart ways to earn online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.